Okay, another thing. Um, if you saw this, would you think, oh, there's stuff in here, or there's a rotisserie chicken, right? Also, I've elected to do the black back bag. It's still gonna be kind of, yeah. Also, the thing I put in here, I put into this right here, Johnson Johnson one. Um, yeah, and some butterfly closures. Then I'm gonna put in the Rexall thing, all of this. Yeah, I'm pretty much done with the black backpack. It's perfect for me. So yeah. Ooh! Oh wow! You thought they'd have Rexall? No, they gave you Members Mark. Unless I did that. I don't know. I'm sure. Yeah, I'm sure. No, yeah. What? No. What? No. Yeah, yeah. They gave you the cheap one. This is the one like Kit Bash. Uh, that's cool. Cause I got Members Marks new. Yeah, and that's all I'm gonna do for that. Just do this. So yeah, I've elected to put in. Do that, do that. Yeah, perfect for me. But yeah, I put in a few things in here, the shelter and all that. No, that's a rotisserie chicken as far as anyone's concerned, right? And it's not heavy, so yeah. I can't bash that one. That's right. So yeah. Uh. You know, the reason this is heavy because it has the cooker, the hobo stove thing, and this in it. Right. So yeah, looks pregnant. I said crap. Let me read. Let me. I could call the fat real quick. That don't affect me yesterday. Um. Move a few things. Let's move a few things. Move a few things. And well, these I want because these are good. I'll move these up top. I'll move this on top. Couple of things on top. Oh, I'd like to do the triangle bandage. If I don't have any gauze pads, you can cut these and do gauze pads. When I swear to my soul, tonight I'm gonna bang this down. Bang, 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 the loudest. Shut It was always in. Let's set sail with Captain Morgan. But I'll never leave that land. Any troubles I've done. It's so, but that's okay because this is not gonna be that hard for me to. Okay, let's move a few things. Let's select to move a few things like this. Make it skinnier. There we did. Tonight I'm gonna bite this down. Bite me to be coladas. One for eating. If y'all want, I can actually do a vocal cover of that. Uh, you try this, so I can actually do cut. But yeah, honestly, it's okay for me. I don't care. I can just carry this. Uh, yeah. The top has barely anything in it. The cooker, the stove, the, the pot, whatever. Admittedly, this heavy is because of I've elected to do this. I should move it somewhere else, but yeah. I also have um you know what? I don't need this. I don't need this. I already have one in there. Don't need it, and it's gonna be way lighter. Let me call the fat of this. I don't need. You know. Okay, so on top, I don't need. I can move these easily somewhere else. I'm keeping the knives off, so you know. Right. Now let's move this right here. I can easily have this as flat as possible if I did something like this. Well, if I no, let's just do this. This is way freaking easier and way better because it's more flat. Yeah, I've let it have that. That could be like this. This could be bottom. I don't know. I don't need. I have a heavy book. I don't need the heavy thing because honestly, I have two ways to cook. So it's like, why have that? You know. Need one for each hand. Let's set sail with Captain Morgan. Whatever lead. I'm moving these to the front because God knows it needs to be in the front. It has a fire striker, that's why I'm doing it. Right? Yeah. I was feeling of I was watching it, and then mountain baby. But I'm telling you, I'm the you by the sea. I got me go where I never know when. The only reason it's gonna be a it's because I need this because it has forging stuff in it, so that's gonna be helpful for me, who barely knows about forging. Yes, I know, but don't you live in the woods? Yes, but yeah, I don't really get to go out because, dear God, I usually wake up like a God knows when, dude. It's gonna be heavy, but it's gonna be more flatter. So yeah, it's gonna be more flatter. It's gonna be heavy, but more flatter. So yeah, I don't care about that. Oh my God, I should do it. As you see, it's more flatter, kind of flatter, and we're like, no one is gonna bat a fucking eyelash anyway. And I can carry this like it's nothing. Oh, he has his lunch or a rotisserie chicken in here, right? So yeah, I did put three of these in here. These small bowls. They have 12 grams of protein, but they have 60% of selenium, which is actually good for you. Don't have too much of it because you'll get poisoned from that. 30% of vitamin B12, 30% niacin, 10% of vitamin B6, 8% of potassium, which is 330, iron, 8%, which is 1.5, vitamin D, whatever, 0, and calcium, 29%, which is 2 grams. Yeah, I've elected to do this. I like these. Pasta and beans rice. Carbs, protein, fat. Right? Why not? Yeah. Anyone for his hand. Let's set sail with Captain Morgan. Whatever lead I land. I say this is actually if you honestly I would get this. If you have no choice but to get minted, get this because this is a long yardage. Let's say I'm not no. I don't need it. I'm good. I'm good. Right. So yeah, and we have what we need in here. Yeah, it's a little heavy because there's some heavy stuff in like three heavy things, but that's it. That's the only reason. Right? So it's nothing to me, man. Nothing to me, man. Yeah. I put. Wait, did I put the Oh no, I put the Choju in there. Ha! That saved a lot of poundage. That thing's at least 3 to 5 pounds. Jesus. So yeah, it's gonna be heavy, but guess what? I can carry it, honestly. So yes, I'm happy. I have a hybrid kit, which I would carry that and literally carry it on my back. It's actually more durable, honestly, more waterproof or water resistant. It's an outdoor products. I think it's the Traverse. I think. Anyway, that's been Post Box Survival. Hope you survived the wasteland. And showing the updated kit. Peace and God bless. Somehow, this is still very lightweight to me. There's like no weight on my shoulder at all. And it's perfect. This is perfect, honestly. I can literally walk like this all day without my back hurting. You know? And I can easily grab this. Shoot. So yeah. So this is a perfect bag. This is heavy when you put it on. Not heavy. And I can do exercise with it too. Ha! Anyway. Level. Peace.